Unbox United back here again. It's the 11th of July 2024, back here in Nike outlet St. Augustine. Let's check some of the sale here. Red tag, a lot of LeBron James here. Let's check out this one, Air Jordan 3, still 200. Jordan 12 grapes, they got sizes, size 10s only, 179. This is the shoes that I wore, very historic for my career. LOL. Still 145 here. I got this in on the sale through online, half of the price I got it. So this is still expensive. So Jordan Jumpman team from the 90s. And then this is what I'm after for. I'm not sure if I'm getting it. I'm liking the purple one. So it's all 109 from $200, guys. So anyone close to Jacksonville, anyone from Florida, check this out. They got sizes. They got 9s and bigger sizes in the purple one. I'm liking this purple one. The problem is I haven't been hooping since LOL for like months. So I think I got my size here. There's a lot of 10s and 11. Oh, there's a size 13. So I got my size. I probably gonna try one here. And then they got the white one as well. And they got the Zoom LeBron next here. I just went straight to the basketball shoes, guys. So so they got this next gen, another colorway. There's a lot of sizes here. They got bigger sizes, 13s. So this is what Bronny James is rocking before starting whooping in college. And there's the white one here as well. So it's 99 and this one is 109. And then the Witness is still here. LeBron Witness. They got 10s and 12s and the white one as well. So there are some Jordan Jumpman Pro Quick 409, and this is the Jordan Max Aura 2 for $69.99. And a lot of Jordan's lower prices here, less than 100. And oh, they got a Jordan 7 retro. It's down to 149. They got sizes, guys. There's 9s and 11s and 12s. And they got a Jordan retro 13 as well for 159. So all the Jordans are downs from $200 to $159. And they got this Jordan 1, I think. What do you call this one? Retro high. So it's a high purple. They got sizes 12, size 12 and 10s. And then I'm gonna make a reel of this Jordan 2. It looks like the Gucci colorway, but I'm not sure what's the name of this. It's just Air Jordan Retro 2 and more Jordans with this is a good price, guys. From 120 it's $69.99. Oh, the Luka is 109. I might try this. It's nice and white. Do I have a size? Yes, there is a size 13, so I might try a Luca in white. And then this is still 200, guys. Okay, I'm gonna cut here now, guys, and I'm gonna try the LeBron and this Luca later, guys.